explored how to approach learning any programming language. Now let's dive into the common elements that unite all programming languages. Every programming language has essential components that form the backbone of any program. First up, we have the character set. These are the letters, digits, and symbols used to write code, like AZ, AZ09, and special symbols like @ MADI, and TAR. Next, we have variables. A variable is a name that stores data and can change during program execution. Then, we have data types, which define the kind of data a variable can hold, such as integers, floats, and characters. Now let's talk about constants. A constant is a fixed value that remains unchanged during program execution. Keywords are reserved words in programming with predefined meanings that can't be repurposed. Input and output statements are commands that let us take user input and display output, like scanf and printf in C. Lastly, every programming language has a specific structure for writing programs, including headers, the main function, and statements.